Right. So mixed students like mechanical, electrical, CS, all together.
Yes, sir.
Can you have answer, right? I just want some ratio. Okay. Mechanical, can you have answer? Right. Totally easy. CSE, any IT field, mechatronics, civil. Right. So thanks for your welcome. Yes, everyone is comfortable in English, right? So what we want to switch the language to Tamil or something? Huh? No, based on. You can mix, right? Yes. So as your topic is design thinking. So what do you know about design? Or chorus answers, year and date, whatever. So I just want to know the audience how you are being there. What's design? Yeah, good. What's design? Design. What's design? Clear. Sattama. What is design? Okay, so let's start from Samantas. Yes? Stage lang kodu maata. Just ninga courses all kodu. How is design? A1. Yes, sir. Come on. Defining?
Defining raw material.
Okay. Great. Okay. Super. Anyone? What name? Your name? From? Great. Okay. Anyone? Design. So, actually, give a small applause for these people, okay? Not just because our answer is wrong, it's not just because it's answer. That's critical thinking, okay? If I'm asking something, someone is asking something, the answer should be spontaneous and relevant to the topic. That's called critical thinking. So, அது கரெக்டா இருக்கா தப்பா இருக்கா ஸோ அது சொல்லலாமா வேண்டாமா ஸ்டேட்ல கூப்பிடுவாங்களா is it going to offend someone? Is it going to be irrelevant? So that's secondary. Okay, we need to act to the situation and respond. That's called critical thinking, and that's why I just want to have a clap. So before starting, let me say what is design thinking. Okay, so when you take a design, okay, whatever, it may be mechanical, it may be electrical, it may be architectural, it may be IT-related, bio company, biotech, whatever. So design is something which gives you a shape or gives you an empathy of your resemblance of idea, right? So if you're having some idea in your mind, okay, and if you are trying to replicate or put it to your physical thing, okay, or a non-physical thing, but you're giving a shape, that's called design, right? Now this is a body. This body is in design, right? Some design. It can be a hexagon, it can be a square, and you are seeing things established according to this design, and you have placed certain speakers in certain distance to get your audibility to get, right? That's a design. So designing is something which makes your product simple and deliverable. Okay. And what I am trying to say in simple words. Now this is a mic. So it's either designed in such way that I'm going to hold this one, or I can place it somewhere, or it can be wireless. These are the ideas. So to start with design, so even if you are engineers, you can be a very good engineers, but you can't do anything with the design without knowing what is design, right? So design of the 5 concepts, there's 5 thumb rule. Okay. The first thumb rule is you need to empathize. What is empathy? What is empathy? What is empathy? Okay, first and now, empathy is nothing but you need to make sure that this will work. You need to consult yourself. You need to visualize yourself. in the solution, in the product portfolio. That's another thing, right? So next is second rule. The second rule is like ideating that. So once you have empathy, you have a vision, okay? You need to idea, bring some idea to it. So in the product, in the particular structure and this particular design should be in this particular form, or this should work in this particular way. That is ideate, okay? Next, this any guesses? Okay, our concept regular, visual. I'm trying to put it on your paper. That is like bringing some idea. What is next? What will we do?
Implement.
Who's it? Planning. Okay. Oh, okay. You know? Great. That's great. Planning now.
Implementing.
Implementing. Great. How you implement? So you have idea. You have a vision. Now you put it on paper. There is an idea. Now you want to implement. How you implement?
Using design.
Okay. Sorry? Exactly. You want data. You want informations. Okay? The same example I gave for this mic. So, to design a mic, you want to know about the mic, right? So, how the mic will perform, how the mic will function. You need information. You need data and characteristics of the product which you are going to design. Are you going to what? Ideate, right? Next, now you got the vision, you got an idea, now you got information. What's next?
Developing using software.
Okay. How? Okay, that's similar to data, right? So you got some data. So it may be design data, it may be 2D data, it may be physical data, it may be materialistic data, whatever. You got some data. Now what's next? Okay, that's also part of data, right? Anything in this not in physical state, that's called data.
Comparing with previous. Comparing.
Comparing to?
Previous.
How will you compare? So let's assume the same thing. I have a mic. So some people designed a mic. Okay? How now I will be assuming that this is a better mic. Who's that? Testing, okay? Test every mama. Exactly. When you have a design, when you ideate that, then you bring it to some data, put in some data. Now it is a form, right? This form has to be prototyped. Why prototyping is important? First thing is to compare the results of existing model or existing product with your product, your design. Okay. The second thing is like to make sure that your product crossing the benchmark. So if I am saying that this is a mic that is going to last some 5 years of charge, but if you claim that your product is going to last a charge of 10 hours, then you need to prove, right? So that's how the prototyping works. The prototyping, make sure you have a benchmark for yourself, and also it can be used for testing. Okay. Next, once prototype is done, you are going to test your product. So these are the 5 stages of any design in this world. It doesn't relevant to any industry, not relevant to any sector, any design. It may be architectural, aerospace, defense, whatsoever. You think even your shirt clothing. So if you want some clothing design, once a designer, fashion designer will visualize that, you will sketch it, then you will bring some data, what is the material that is going to be used, then you will be stitching some fabric and making sure that the fabric is actually putting a good outfit or outlook, then it will be launched. Okay, these are the first 5 stages for any design thinking. Okay, so this is called design thinking. So first is empathize, second is what? Ideate. Next.
Information.
Information. Data. Fourth. Prototype, exactly. Next. Okay. Testing. Yes. So these are the 5 phases of any thumb rule or any design on any verticals, any industries. Okay. This is now clear. Right. So let's assume you are going to design a. Okay. You have lost all these 5 stages. Okay. You have a very good vision. You have a good idea and you have written this idea and you have scribbled something, you have got some design. Then you put some time into research, you got some data about the material, whatever. Then you got some prototype done. Now you are going to test it. So the testing results are there. Okay. Now the testing results are not up to mark, which is like not up to your expectations. Now what you will be doing?
Research.
Research. Okay, you have done the research, right? You done the research. This is the make, this is the length, whatever. So now you have done the prototype and you are testing it. The testing is not up to the mark. It's not performing up to your level. What is your expectation? What do you do?
Build another prototype. Build another prototype.
Super. What is that called? Modifications. What is the precise word? Update. Okay. Yes. Update. Is it okay? Modifications. Why are you modifying it? What is this called? Improvising. Okay. Improvising the prototype. So this is called iterations or iterations. Whatever. How you sound. Iterations. The iteration is nothing but when you want to improve the product in a constant phase. Okay, but I want a better. Okay, let's go for a better. Now this is good, but I want still the best. I am going for the best. So in this process, you can have 5 iterations, 10 iterations, 100 iterations, 1000 iterations, right? Until when this stops, when the iteration stops. Sorry, satisfying what? When this iteration stops. Okay. ஒரு 10 ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு, ப்ரோடக்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு, டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இல்லை கூட வந்துச்சு. ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் நல்லா டிசைன் பண்ணி யூ ஹவ் இம்ப்ரூவ் த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வாட் எவர். ஸோ நவ் யூ ஹவ் கன்க்ளூட் திஸ் த பெஸ்ட். ஸோ நவ் த iteration stops. What makes you feel that this is the best? What is the best? What is that problem? Satisfying what? Who? Consumer. Okay. Consumer. Customer trust. Huh? Feedback. Okay. Assurance of what? Right? So okay. 1 year தாண்டி உட்காரு. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Service. Okay. So what is this called? It's great. Who's it? Super. Product? Super. நீங்கள் படிச்சிருக்கீங்க, பட் இது கூட ட்ரீக்கல். ஓகே, ப்ராடக்ட் லைஃப் சைக்கிள் மாறணும். டிஎல்ஆர் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? டிஎல்ஆர் ப்ராடக்ட் லைஃப் சைக்கிள் மாறணும். யூ நீட் டு டிசைன் அ ப்ராடக்ட் தட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பெர்ஃபார்ம் அ லைஃப் சைக்கிள் அண்ட் கோ பேக் டு வேர்? கோ பேக் டு வேர்? கம்பெனியா? எங்க போவோம்? இல்ல, எங்க போவோம்? இப்போ ஸ்மைல் and will recycling. Yes, exactly. Super. Okay. You have to know a product life cycle management to design a product to cycling is start on product development and recycling. Okay. This is called life cycle management. Okay. So this recycling is a process where the product should be unhazardous, unharmful, other categories. But we'll come to the main goal. So your product is being completed, standard testing is done. Now people is asking warranty. Warranty is to assume that the product is going to perform certain life cycles. Certain life cycles are there. 5 outer parts, okay. Customers, okay, customer, super, okay. Customization, okay. Then, what is facelift? Car like facelift, what is called facelift? What is facelift? Improving versions, okay. Improve, existing improve பண்ணலாம். ஏன் வந்து ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா ஒரு பேசிட்டு போகணும். ஏன் சால்வ் பண்ணுவாங்க or designers okay. Why you want to improve a version? Existing version. See, if you have iPhone 14 Pro, okay. And next நான் launch பண்ணுவேன். Okay. Why you want to launch iPhone 14 Pro Max or Ultra? Point இல்ல. If I am improving the product, I will be upselling the product, not downselling. Right? If I put some improvements, I will be upselling the product, not downselling. So now your product has been revised but you are saving as a facelift. Why? Not only wrong. In India. So, okay, as you said, first point is outer of the terms of design format, market format. Then what? Then what?
Hello. சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
Take start பண்ணிருப்போம். What? Take. Will be a new take. Secondary, cost will be deducted. Existing part of commitment, cost will deduct பண்ணிருப்போம். The third thing is the ultimate thing. There will be a change in service manual. What? Service manual. If you see a car, that is a first version, then to a car facelift, the major difference will be change of service manual. What is service manual? So, mechanics running a car service manual, they have a manual, right? So, this is how the car will be accessed, this is how the parts will be serviced. So, that will be changed to make sure that no faults has been happening in service records. You can only answer, but service manual effects are not service manual change. That's how the facelift works. Okay? This is existing here. Okay? The existing car service manual, the racing service manual. So now what will happen? Three good service manual. That's not going to possible, right? Again, so we're going to upsell your product, not downsell. So if you put existing car service manual reset that is going to give some negative impression on product. So that doing this, launching some facelift, updated versions, revisions, better tech, better aerodynamics, kind of better aesthetics, and there is the ultimate goal is to raise a service manual. Okay, that's the idea. So now you have seen 6 to 7 stages, just like purchasing a product, ideating it, then information, data gathering, then prototype, testing, then testing up more. Market, yeah. Next. Testing up testing up benchmarking and standards. Market. Okay. Then PLM, product life cycle. Right. So these are the scenarios. Design thinking. Design thinking is nothing but how you present a design, or how you make a design, or how you take a design to a consumer or a customer without knowing them. They are going to be consumed. Okay. Before a consumer, you won't be knowing these are the things that have been designed to make sure that you don't know these things. Right? Why? Why? I get it. Okay. So when you phone use okay. Other features. Okay. But we will be using 5 to 10 features maximum. The other features are small. Okay. But still, people use to do the feature again and again. Why? Why? Okay. Then I am asking another program features. Okay. But there is a feature that is not going to be used by consumer. Right? Not going to be. If you take a phone, you can easily find. Some features or majority of features cannot be consumed all the time. 99% of the time. Right? So why they are still giving this feature? Not only for if you are not what to say, you take your cars, take your aeroplanes, take your defense components, whatever. So why is it done? Sorry? Upsell the product, okay. You are use it only after that you will upsell the product. Okay, then add-ons, okay. Okay. So, okay, let's ask it this way, okay. Now you are having a, okay. Now you are having a laptop, okay. That can be convertible into a tablet. Okay, that's a laptop that can be converted to tablet. So now the laptop is having a feature of converting into a tablet, flipping it, taking apart, whatever. That's a design. Okay. Now we are going to use a tablet as a touchscreen, whatever. But when you want, you will combine it with a keyboard. Okay. Now let's assume tablet converting